guys, Dr. Cameron here with a quick video on cracking and popping. It's a question we get asked a lot in our offices. What is that noise? Are we breaking bones? Are we tearing ligaments? What's the scary noise that we're hearing? And it's not. It's pretty docile, it's pretty light. But what's happening is you basically have two bones. We'll pretend these two are my bones here, and you have a space in between them. And these two are called articulations. And so they have cartilage surrounding them, and in the middle is a capsule. It's a synovial fluid capsule, okay? And so the reason you have that is so you can freely move those bones within each other. So when we go to do an adjustment or when you pop your knuckles, what you're hearing is as that space is being pulled apart, it's gapping. And so that fluid creates a little cavitation is what it's called. So one easy way to kind of demonstrate that is if I put my hands together here and get all the air out of there and I squeeze it tight and I pull it apart, it makes a little noise. That same thing is happening to your joints when we do an adjustment. But what you need to know is it's not harming anything, nor necessarily helping anything. It's just a noise that happens when we make the adjustment. Okay, so just know that it is something very, very unique sound, and some people really quite like the sound, but most importantly is the motion that we create with those adjustments.